Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. Last week I had a lot of fun drawing He-Man from the brand new Netflix series Masters of the Universe Revelation that I thought, why stop there? So for this week's video I thought it was a cool idea to draw the main antagonist of that series, and that of course is Skeletor, and man, what an amazing design he has. I'm super excited for this one, so let's not wait any longer and let's start drawing.
All your champion.
Okay, let's draw Skeletor. He has such a cool design with lots of details, and I love to draw skulls, so this character is a real treat. I will create a similar background on this illustration just like I did last week with He-Man, using Indian ink and some tissues, a technique I learned from comic legend Jim Lee, and if you want to learn more about that technique, check out last week's video. I included a mini tutorial on how to create such backgrounds. Masters of the Universe has so much awesome characters. Would you like me to draw more of them in the near future? Let me know in the comment section which character or which other franchise you would like to see in my style. I'm already looking forward to read all your comments. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Skeletor is a fictional character and the main antagonist of the Master of the Universe franchise, serving as the arch-enemy of He-Man. He is typically depicted as a blue-skinned humanoid who wears a purple hood over his bare-boned skull. Skeletor is determined to gain powers of Castle Grayskull and rule the universe. However, the incompetence of his henchmen always stand in the way of his ambitions. Skeletor is an extremely powerful sorcerer with control over a vast range of dark magical powers. He also possesses considerable scientific skills and is shown to have skill in creating various machines and devices. He is usually armed with a magical weapon called the Havoc Staff, a long scepter crowned with a ram's skull, sometimes depicted with an embedded crystal ball. He can discharge bolts of mystic force from the head of the staff. In the early mini-comics, Skeletor sometimes possesses one half of the Power Sword. From this weapon he could also project magical energies, and he has also shown himself as a gifted swordsman. Now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and you all know what that is. Thinking time. Here we go. that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked my Skeletor drawing. If you want to see me draw some more Masters of the Universe characters, please let me know in the comment section which one you would like me to draw. And if you liked the video guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please consider to share this content on all your social media platforms, it helps a lot. I wish you all a great weekend my friends, we will see each other again next Friday. Bye!